When it comes to buying medical equipment, MFI Medical is one of the names that often comes up in searches. But before you make any decisions, there are a few things you should know to ensure you're making the right choice, especially when compared to other options out there. Stick around until the end, because I'll walk you through everything you need to know about MFI Medical to help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. First thing, MFI Medical offers a vast selection of medical equipment, from diagnostic tools to imaging systems and more. They provide a one-stop shop for professionals looking for reliable, quality gear. While there are other competitors in the market like Medline and Fisher Scientific, what sets MFI apart is its commitment to providing high-quality equipment that meets rigorous standards, often at more competitive prices. Next thing, their customer service is something worth mentioning. MFI Medical is known for offering top-notch support, with a responsive team ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. This is especially important when purchasing expensive medical devices, where having a reliable support team can make a huge difference. Competitors like Medtronic may offer a similar range of products, but MFI Medical's customer-focused approach often stands out in customer reviews. The third thing to keep in mind is the ease of use of their website. MFI Medical's website is simple to navigate, with categories clearly laid out, allowing you to quickly find the equipment you need. This is a significant advantage when compared to some of their competitors, whose websites can be more cluttered and difficult to use. Whether you're a seasoned professional or someone just starting, this streamlined experience is crucial for saving time and reducing the frustration of browsing. Moving on to the fourth thing, MFI Medical offers a free trial for several of their products. This is a huge plus if you want to test something before fully committing. Not every competitor offers this kind of trial, which makes MFI Medical stand out. You'll get the chance to explore their equipment and determine if it truly suits your needs before making a financial commitment. This is particularly beneficial when purchasing something as costly as medical equipment. Now, the fifth thing to keep in mind is the shipping process. MFI Medical has a reputation for fast and reliable shipping, especially when it comes to urgent orders. If you're dealing with a situation where time is critical, knowing that you can rely on timely delivery is invaluable. While competitors like Alimed and Henry Schein Medical also offer solid shipping, MFI Medical's commitment to quick service has earned them a loyal following. Sixth, the quality of the equipment MFI Medical provides is consistently high. They source from well-known brands and ensure everything meets the necessary certifications. The attention to detail in quality control gives peace of mind that the equipment you're getting is going to last and work as expected. For anyone comparing it to other companies like Medtronic or GE Healthcare, MFI Medical's offerings tend to be more affordable while still maintaining excellent quality. And finally, the seventh thing to know is that MFI Medical regularly runs promotions and offers exclusive deals. If you're looking to purchase medical equipment and want to get the best deal possible, you'll want to keep an eye on their discounts and special offers. These deals can sometimes beat out competitors like Medline, making it an even better option if you're trying to stretch your budget while still getting top-tier equipment. If you want to try out MFI Medical and see for yourself, make sure to click the first link in the description. Not only will you get the best free trial for their software and equipment, but you'll also gain access to exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out. Click the link and take advantage of everything MFI Medical has to offer.